Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can set up repeating or recurring expense or bill on ClearBooks. To set up repeating or recurring supplier invoice, we need to go to purchases and there is a section called recurring. From here, click on create recurring bill template. Now we need to fill in details for this recurring or repeating supplier invoice. Firstly, we can add a completely new supplier or we can select from our drop-down list. In my case, I will set up recurring invoice for internet bill. Click on select supplier, select the date when repeating bill should start. In my case, it's 22nd of August, and due date, actually it is immediately for a payment. If you want, you can also provide a reference and select a purchase order to use. Frequency, this is what we need to select. So how often this bill need to be recorded on my ClearBooks accounting software. In my case, it is monthly, but if you have some bills who need to be recorded quarterly or half yearly or maybe annually, you can select from drop-down list applicable one. Okay, so I will select monthly and create invoice as, and you can select to create invoice as draft or directly as approved. If you will select as a draft, you'll be able to amend information and review. If it's approved status, that means it will be recorded in system as an expense already. And then I need to select occurrences. This is number. So my internet limited contract is for next 24 months. So I would select 24 here. And now I need to provide the details. Either you can select from item list or add a new item or just type in description. So I have internet charges. Okay. Account code, it is internet. Quantity 1 at a rate of £50 in my case. And if you are VAT registered business and you track VAT, you can select your VAT rate when you set it up. Okay. So if you need to add notes or any other information, click in this box and provide under summary section here. Now I can create payment on recurrences, or also I can select payment methods and bank accounts if needed. At this moment I will not select it. Also we can manage attachments if required, and when you click on preview you can see how this recurring invoice will look like when it's added on the system. Quite straightforward. Okay, and click save. Now when I go to recurring, I have an option to manage by editing, getting a link, or printing or downloading this recurring invoice. If I click on this recurring invoice, I can edit by clicking on edit, copying, or actually delete this recurring template if I don't want it to recur. So in this episode, I showed you how you can set up a recurring expense or maybe a bill on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.